Close your eyes. What could it be? Okay, wait. Okay, open your eyes.
Surprise!
What is it? This?
Are you happy?
Your own tractor.
Whoa.
Wow.
Now it's got to charge. We got to put batteries in it.
Yeah, we have to put batteries in. We're charging it.
Well, we'll charge it all up for you.
We forgot to put animals in
You
it.
can put animals in there. You can put Spider-Man in there, whatever you want.
Not put Spider-Man in here.
What do you think?
Did you get Spider-Man as a present?
Yeah.
Lucky's gonna fall out.
Yeah. What do you say to Grammy and Grandpa?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Granny and Grandpa.
You're welcome. Enjoy it.